find the right tool for something like this and then not being able to remember where it's at and locate it when I need it. So there's a tool that you can buy to compress these two things. If you don't have that tool, a couple of big clamps like this will do the trick. And what I'm going to do is, since I can't locate mine, is I'm going to set this rear pad right back in place there where it was, and then I'm going to take this big clamp and put on it. I'm going to use it to close that thing, which is going to work just fine. If these things aren't stuck, and calipers do sometimes get stuck, and when they do, you have to replace them. Can't really fix them. Well, maybe you can. I think I might have used somebody that tried once, or I might have tried once. But long and short is, I would never do it again. During my long and illustrious history, I've done a lot of foolish things. Probably trying to repair a brake caliper is in that list somewhere. But maybe because you tend to forget traumatic things, I don't remember it, which is fine. What's wrong with you now? Oh, somebody scarred you up with a welder, didn't they? It's mean and unfortunate. Maybe we can still make you work. A little tap tap. Get you to go into place. We can get by without you. Let's see if this other side will do the trick. Yeah, it's going. It's going good. I think I can take this one off this side, put it over here, take this other one. I think now that I've compressed that a little, it'll go over here. I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just need to go get another one. I can do that too. Those seals look good too on that caliper. What I mean, the rubber seals that are up in here. They're not rotted out or broken like on the one I took off the other side. Which I don't have for show and tell. They, a lot of times at the parts store, they'll recycle these calipers. I send them back to the factory. And when I was a kid, I used to work over on Fulton Industrial Boulevard in Atlanta, and there was a buddy of mine worked over at Rayco, which is a factory that used to be there, 35, 40, 50-ish years ago. That's what they used to do, is remanufacture auto parts over there. Rayco, they're probably still around. They probably moved on to a better, bigger factory somewhere, I'm guessing, after all this time. That's working good so far. What you do with this is you loosen the cap on your master cylinder. That way you can leave the brake line right on it, and it just pushes the fluid right back out into the master cylinder if you got a little room in there for it. That way it just works right. You don't even have to add any fluid. Okay, now let's open this back up. Take that off. Thing here. So you got both them things pressed back up in there. I'm gonna go over to the other side of the vehicle and get my pads. Bring them back over here. See if we can get that back in place.